Are Palm Springs home prices coming down? Or is this just a seasonal pause before the next move? If you're watching the market from outside the desert or even living here wondering what is really happening, this is one of the most important updates you'll see as we head into 2026. After years of pandemic-driven heights, the greater Palm Springs real estate market is clearly shifting into a more balanced and, in some areas, a more buyer-friendly market. Hi, I'm Craig Michaels, your luxury and senior real estate specialist here in Palm Springs. If you like these market updates, make sure and subscribe to my channel here at Real Estate Palm Springs and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I share a new video, and that's every week. Let's start with the big picture. According to the latest Greater Palm Springs Realtors Housing Report, the median price of a detached home across the valley is $644,000, down slightly 0.8% from last year. Condos and townhomes are seeing more noticeable movement, with the median attached home price down 6.3% year over year, now sitting at $419,000. Now, when we look city by city, the story becomes even more interesting. Indian Wells, for instance, continues to stand out as the strongest performer, with prices for the average detached homes actually up 17% year over year, showing that premium, low inventory markets are still attracting demand from buyers. On the other hand, several cities are clearly experiencing price softening. Cathedral City, Palm Springs, Indio, and Palm Desert all showing declines ranging from roughly 2.5% to over 5%. Palm Springs down nearly 3% for this time last year and actually 21% below its 2022 peak. This is meaningful. It's a reset for buyers who have been priced out of the market for many years now. Sales activity helps explain this. Valley-wide sales are below historic norms, now running about 26% below average levels, even though total sales are actually up slightly from last year. Palm Springs still leads the valley in total sales, followed closely by Palm Desert and La Quinta, reinforcing that these remain the most active and liquid markets for buyers and sellers. Inventory is another key shift. The Coachella Valley now has over 3,300 homes for sale, nearly back to pre-pandemic inventory levels, and that means buyers finally have options again. Markets like Palm Springs and Palm Desert have the highest inventory. Contrast that with Desert Hot Springs. They remain one of the tightest with fewer months of supply. Now, overall, the valley sits at about 5.4 months of inventory, which signals a balanced market leaning slightly towards buyers, especially compared to the frenzy of recent years. Selling times are also telling a story here. Homes are now taking a median of 53 days to sell, about 10 days longer than last year, again favoring buyers. The longer the homes sit on the market, the more flexible the sellers become. Indian Wells and Cathedral City are still moving relatively quickly, while Bermuda Dunes stands out with much longer selling times, showing where buyers may have some negotiating power in that city. Speaking of negotiating, most homes are now selling below list price, with an average discount of 2.4% for detached homes and even deeper discount for attached properties, and only about 12% of homes are selling over asking, which puts us firmly back in pre-COVID territory. So what does this mean if you're thinking about moving here from out of the area? The Palm Springs market is not crashing, but it is resetting, and prices are stabilizing, inventory is healthier, bidding wars are far less common, and buyers finally have some leverage again, especially in cities like Palm Springs, Cathedral City, Indio, and Palm Desert. Meanwhile, premium markets like Indian Wells and parts of Rancho Mirage continue to show resilience. If you're planning a move here to Palm Springs, before you spend hours Googling, we've done all the work for you. My team has created a complete relocation guide that covers everything from local employers to schools and hospitals, insider tips you won't find anywhere. It's totally free, by the way. All you have to do is click on the link or check the top pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe to Real Estate Palm Springs and hit that bell so you don't miss future market updates. I'll see you on the next video.